Looking for a new course in nursing and paramedical course? Admissions open at one of the most top colleges in the country. East-West Group of Institutions, Bangalore, recognized by Indian Nursing Council and Rajiv Gandhi University of Health Science. Choose your courses on your screen. Hurry up! Limited seats available. For more details, contact the link given below.
Hakajinyo yakajing don kamban wanra yakaroi kapar hakashnong kathau khnang ban pensok yakinong shong shnong ka Shillong Municipal Board haringkat kajia trailang bat kadorbar shnong Laban hakakhat pratarek unai tung arja arpun riu kalapan long yak program ban Plie pat ba yak RCC +4 commercial building nakabanta ka Ïewdak Laban Municipal Market bat Community Hall kadorbar shnong Laban hakajia lang kablapan long hakatega ying building. Lawan ban Plie pat ba ketika ying building daw ba Sanbor Sulai MLA ke South Shillong constituency baru menteri hak sorkar MDA2 haringkat kejia don lang Satindar Kumar Bhalla ITS Secretary North Eastern Council UPK Boro CEO Shillong Municipal Board ba FB Khan EE SMB UEG Binan Assistant Engineer SMB uba P Suting JE SMB uba Edward Karwan lang rang ba Shnong Laban na lor kiwe pan. Yakani ka yeng building bathamai lamang lingba ka scheme NEC ME 2552 OH Creation of Capital Assets hakajing lot ka bakhat saw Klur arpo nyo lak sanpo hajar tingka. Hakani ka sngi lasam ru yaki souvenir shaki officer nalor kinong shong shnong kiblay dan banta ban pen urlong yakate ka jing thmu. Hapakran shaki lat patay kubor uba Sanbor Sulai uloong. Baudan yakani ka jing thmu mentala Slem ba namar bola he lasan hakate kasnong bagajing la ban pen urlong kala long shisha ka jing mento yaki babon nalor kita ulapan snguru bodang don shibon ki jing thmu ban pen bha su yaka constituency ka ba ukmi
and thankful to the Honorable Chief Minister, Bakondar Sangma, and all our Cabinet Minister of the MDA, Government 1, right from Government 1, we have been working together till the present MDA 2. Like Balaji, he have given his thankfulness to the Chief Minister. Yes, he's like my guide, my mentor. Any scheme, any proposal received from an individual, proposal from group, from the Dorbar, from the NGOs, from the school, committees, from various NGOs within my constituency, the 19th South Shillong, both from the municipal area and the Shillong Municipal area and the Shillong Government board. I used to discuss with Honorable Chief Minister and thankful send this message to him and to all our cabinet colleagues and to all the officials who have given us the fund. And I must thank all our union minister in Delhi. From the government one, we used to go and knock at the door of the central government. You have seen with your own naked eyes all over the streets, thousand and thousand crores, lakhs crores of rupees in terms of infrastructure development, which has been granted, funded by the central government and also through the NEC. Today we have inaugurated, thankful to the Plie, all official of Plie department. Before we inaugurate this municipal market, Ïewdak Laban, we have inaugurated this road for an amount of rupees. This motorable cum aqueduct drainage aqueduct system starting from opposite of Laban Presbyterian Church via this market, from the front of the market it will end till the last of bridge for an amount of rupees 1.65 crore. Thank you so much. Thank you, President Tinsang, Honorable Prime Minister, who always supported me and supported the people of my constituency. And the market is 14 crore 27,50,000 G+3. And I'm told by FW Khan, ex-chief engineer, that we have one more scheme here on the terraced. It'll be with the diner roof, one more hall for the public use, to be utilized by all the people of 19 South Shillong constituency. When you here in our constituency is very congested, we are having a parking facilities, and here we have a sanction of 2 crore already sanctioned, and the work will be started in this month. Furthermore, one more fund which has been funded through, initiated by the jointly with the municipal board and the Urban Affairs Department. Thank you, Baseo Balangdaha, Deputy Chief Minister in charge Urban Affairs. We are from the same clan. Dhar and Shurai, we are same. Who have sanctioned us 4 crore, 2 for this additional, and 2 crore for Lumshat Singhi Bishnupur market for renovation. That also will be started this month. And more crores of rupees for the benefits of the brother and sister living in cantonment area. Cantonment area, there will be around 35 crore infrastructure scheme, which we are going to, it'll come together with municipal and cantonment area, the sanction scheme and the proposal to be sanctioned. It'll come around 300 crores only for 19 South Shillong constituency. And I'm also very happy to inform our brother and sister from the cantonment area. So the total, it will come to nearly 18 crores. 18 crores we have already got a sanction. In our cantonment municipal area, we are having a building bylaws. 2 years ago, from the government through the MUDA, it was people are allowed to build G+3. But 2 years ago, we have again discussed in the MDA meeting, and last 2 years, it was amended. Now you can apply for G+5, it means 6 story. And for our cantonment area, there is no building bylaws. They cannot construct. So strict, because it falls under the authority of the defense. After 35 years that the cantonment area leaseholder association, the headman, they have tried. So with the blessing of God, luckily, after the delimitation, the entire cantonment has been included with 22nd Laban under the 19th South Shillong constituency. And thankful to Rajnath Singh ji, As you have seen in the news from time to time, the Honorable Defense Minister, where I have, as an MLA, along with the members of the Shillong Cantonment Leaseholder Association, we have initiated, and now through the help of the state government. And recently, on the 2nd of July, the Ministry of Defense, they have notified the new building bylaws of the Shillong Cantonment Board for G+3. This is the long aspiration of the people of Cantonment after 37 years of their fight. At the end of the day, I'm very happy that during my tenure, I could do it.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam, dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata, habatiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut, pej ya kashab plus F hakajing som. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ika dur jengki marbam kajing mat lani ka rukam shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bha kajing im bakam bha. Pendon kam daki marbam madon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.